Hey everybody and welcome back. My name is Sue and I'm from OML Embroidery. Today we're going to be stitching a free Easter mug rug from Embroidery Garden. Now this design is absolutely gorgeous. It is a fantastic scrap buster and I love how it turned out. Now I used this bright and gorgeous jelly roll set to make these mug rugs. And look at how cute they are, the bright colors and everything. I love this jelly roll, but I didn't know what to do with it. So I think this is a great solution. It's also great for scrap busting. So you can use any bits of fabric. You don't need a whole lot. Look at that one. Isn't that so bright? I love it. I absolutely love it. I decided to do mine in one color, but you can change the colors for each stripe on it. So I just did purple. So let's start off. Oh, you need some batting and you need the backing material that you fold. Now the first thing is it stitches out a line. You put one fabric face up and the next fabric face down. It's really important that you understand this. So face down and line it up and make sure it's all even, and then it's going to stitch that line. Whoops, broke a thread there. Well, let's go back a little bit. There we go. Stitch out the line, and then all you have to do is fold it and finger press it in. The next one is done the same way. The bottom one is already there, and the next stripe that you want, you do it face down again, stitch the line, fold it down, give it a really good press. If you have a little iron, that would make it even better and make nice crisp lines on it. And for the next one, guess what? You put it and make it even and then stitch down the line. It's that easy. And by the time you're done this one, it is all done. The worst part of it, the piecing, is all done. So I used my Cricut Easy Press here. It fits nicely in the 5x7 hoop just to get everything flattened down, but you can press it with your hands if you want. You don't even have to take out the hoop. Now once that's all done, we stitch the beautiful, beautiful accent stitches. And again, I kept it in one color. I made everything purple, but it would look really nice if you incorporated, say on mine, if you incorporated turquoise on the green and green on the turquoise, that sort of thing. I'm not sure what you'd use to stand out on the stripes, but doesn't that look great? All different quilting things. Now we're almost done this, believe it or not, and it's gonna stitch out these gorgeous motif stitches to kind of, you know, set the seams right there and make it look pretty. And I love this design. It's so easy to do. Now look, beautiful. It is looking good. Again, I love all my colors. So once this is done, all you have to do is take your pieces, you fold them in half, and you overlap them a little bit. Now it works a lot better if you press the fabric in half like this. Now I'm just using a layer cake, so that also worked out perfectly for me. Now I'm using a little tape only because McDreamy really does not like doing this and it always catches, but you shouldn't have to use tape. Oh, move my hand, stop. It's only the one that's going up. So, and that's just McDreamy. He doesn't like doing it for some reason at all. Now this is gonna stitch out, it stitches out a back stitch to hold everything together. And once this finishes stitching, you are done. It is done. All you have to do is quickly cut it out and turn it right side in. And it's so cute. I'm going to be making so many of these from that one jelly roll. I think you can get 2 or 3 stripes out of each strip of jelly roll. So carefully cut it out. You can do, you know, a little bit closer or not so close. I think you want to leave about a 1/4 inch seam. And then all you have to do is turn it right side in. So I hope you guys will go to Embroidery Garden and make some of these gorgeous mug rugs. I had so much fun making them and they're a quick stitch and they look gorgeous. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!